Good morning. So, we're gonna get some cleaning done today. Today's gonna be another clean with me. So we're gonna see what all we can get done before my partner goes into work. He works from home, so I have to be more careful where I film, so I'm not interrupting his phone calls. So we're gonna see what we can get done before he has to go into work. He starts work at noon. It is, I don't have my phone on me to check the time. It's a little bit after 9:30, probably closer to 10 o'clock. So let's get started and get going. Alright, so we're not done yet, but I want to take a minute to mark things off on my app that I use to manage my tasks. If you guys want a whole dedicated video on how I manage my tasks, that is definitely something I can do. Please let me know in the comment section down below. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to mark out the stuff that we did. I tidied up family room, and I tidied up dining room, and then I cleaned the bathroom, I cleaned the shower, and I cleaned the toilet. Have not touched the bedroom yet. Have not touched the kitchen yet. And then, let's see, did I get all? Yep, and I already marked off all the morning stuff. My daily routine stuff that I do in the morning. So, I do this, I use a task manager app. I use one that is meant for families, so my dominant can add things to it and change things as he sees fit, and it allows me to earn points to do fun things, and just gives me something to work forward to, something that I enjoy and something that he enjoys. So, alright, let's get back to work then. Alright, so that's pretty much everything I have cleaning wise today, except for cleaning the bedroom and vacuuming, which I'm gonna wait till I clean the bedroom to do that, so I can also vacuum in there. But, so we made really good progress. I got a lot of stuff done, and it's still not even 10:30 yet, so I got a lot of stuff done this morning, and I'm really proud of myself. Hopefully this gives you some motivation to clean up yourself and to help you get your space in order, or help you take care of yourself, help you get your space where it's functional for you, and help you get your space where it works much better for what you need. Because as I've been starting to learn myself, these are care tasks and they're functional, they are not moral. And then that's all I have for today. You guys have a nice day.